Everybody come in the sitting position and keep your both legs straight now and take the block with you. So today our class theme that is a balancing. So we will go some different balancing. We will start some arm balancing, then we'll go some others. So keep the blocks with you, side of your hip. We will start with some very gentle, some beginner practice here. And your both palm on the block. Everybody bend your legs and just lock your and come on. Gapchan. Inhale. Come on, please practice together. Come on. And exhale. Everybody mountain. Lift your hip. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Superman. Hey, I am going step by step. Again inhale and exhale. Now your feet up. And after also try to lift your legs up. 1. Pressing the palm, lifting your core. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. And just push your feet down. One last time you can repeat the same pose or with another option. Again inhale, push the palm, lift your hip, and also gapchan chalne, or you can thang chalne. 2, 3, thang chalne, gapchan chalne. 5, and then 6. Okay, good. Then just relax. Good. So our next balancing, that is very gentle crow pose. In the crow pose today we will go some different variations. We will go with the step by step. So first the basic practice. Bend your legs and open your arms a bit wider than your shoulder level. Any arm balancing, try to keep spreading your fingers so that you can easily transfer your body weight. Okay, so here a little bend your elbows, your knees on your elbow, a bit up. Options, just drop the toes down, lifting shoulder and keep leaning your shoulder front side. Option, you can just both legs down, you can try with a one leg. Any member can maintain balance, so both legs up. Khom dua, so no need, just stay there. Kati, come on practice. This is just a very basic step, and after I will take you some another challenge. Come on, pressing the palm, working more on your shoulder, strengthening your shoulder. If you cannot lift your legs, so do not take the risk. Do not be jump. Chanlen khom dua, so khom gan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax, come back. You please help me. Some members they are not understanding what I am giving them options. If you cannot lift the leg first, don't make the jump. This is not a jumping class. So if you cannot make the balance, just stay here. That's it. Enough. Initially, you need to build up the strength in your shoulder. Here you go. This is the very basic. If you not clear these things, so very difficult to come on the next level. Yes? So same posture will go with another level. That we say the baby crow pose. Baby crow pose how? You have to drop your both elbow. The gap you already knows how to adjust. Hold the elbows and then open it. So this is adjusting the gap. And after your knees, try to own your armpit. And the same. Let the up and this lean down. Come on, try. Any balancing, especially arm balancing, you have to focus more on your shoulder strength. Always keep lifting your shoulder. Focus more on your shoulder. 1, Chanlen khom gan, just touch 1, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. This is baby crow. Okay. Relax it. We go third variation, third level in the crow posture. That is with the arm straight crow pose. So you have to maintain your both arms straight and same like before, raise your heel and drop your knees in your armpit. Option 1, just stay there. Option 2, you can try with a one leg. Option 3, you try with the both legs. Come on, try. Look, balancing, any kind of balancing, you have to work more on your strength. Yes, Justin. Yeah, any balancing, especially arm balancing, work more on your shoulder. Strengthening shoulder. Chan leg, home works of kongan, just chan swung, raise your heel only. Babdi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, sorry, relax. 3 practice done. Now I will take you the one more up level, that is the one leg toe pose. One leg toe pose also I give you the some beginner option. So this time again, bend your elbow, drop the knees any one side. You can try with the left or you can try from the right. Any one side you can do try. Option 1, one leg down, one leg up, that's it. Just stay. Option 2, just little bit leg up and then leg up. Option 3, leg straight. So these are some different options in the one posture. Here you go. Again, reminder, one knee, one leg up, just it. That's it. Enough. Any one side you can do try. Arm balancing is basically all about your arm, your shoulder, your wrist, and your core strength. Core strength are the main part, the most important. Just stay. Try to hold for 4 seconds, 5 seconds. You can relax. Then you try once again. You can see in a one pose you are putting so much energy. From the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Thamchan everybody. I think 4 is enough. Thamchan. Later I will take you in the side throw pose. Jangdai, open arms. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left side. Thamchan, leg straight. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, squeeze one. Enough. Bend forward. This is just for the alternate contra posture for relaxing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. We change your practice. We'll practice now the scissor pose. So you can turn any one side. You can turn on your left side. Lock your ankle. Your one hand under the leg and one hand side of the hip. Again, option I will give you. I'll give you 3 options. Option 1, pressing the palm and just lift your hip. That's it. Everybody can do it. Option 2, you can try bend your elbow and then lift the hip. Option 3, complete pose, lift the leg up. And even you can try the bend leg, then you can be also try. Try. Home to a home south. That's it. Option 1, everybody can do it. Yes, anyone said you just try. From here. Yes, that's it, enough. See her, yes. Option 1, that's it, enough. Option 2, bend legs. Option 3, you can legs up. Home, try Chamlen in the initially, only lift the hip. 3, yes. 4, 5, 6, and now relax. You know what's the problem with you? You are trying to go on the highest level which you are not prepared yet. That's why I am trying to give you option. Option 1, option 2, option 3. Try to complete your option 1 and then you go for the next step. In the one time you go for up, so of course you will be very, very tired and you difficult to reach on that. So go one by one. Change your side, other side. Just try the same. Even Okay, you can also use the block also. More easy. Put the block and lift the hip. That's it. Enough. Even bend the elbow. Anything. Everybody can try to lift the hip. We already practiced in the beginning. That's it. Enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Khom nin chai phai tap di. Relax. Come back. Okay. Hangchen. Balancing khom program. Huh? Balancing is very, very good. I'm telling you that is very good for build up your strength, and that is very good to build up your focusing, more concentration. Okay, we change. Bend your legs and come in the downward facing dog. Your legs straight, your spine straight, and your arms straight. Left leg up, Chan Chai Lane. Chan Chai Chuak, left leg in between your arms. So here I will take you in the half moon pose and in the reverse half moon pose in the one flow. So first put the one block front of your left leg. One block. Inhale, both arms up in the high lunge. When you exhale, your left hand on the block, Chan Phai Lane, Tai Phai Lane, and Nin. Your right hand up, your right leg up. You are doing opposite side. 1, Nin Lane Khom Dog, so Nin Swan. 2, focus, concentrate, Tap Chum. 5, 6, and then relax. Chan Phai Swan. Again, hit bow. Hai Tai Lane, your both arms up. So this time will come in the reverse of the last pose. So your right hand down, Tai Phai Swan, and then Chan Phai Lane and Tai Chai Lane. Your right hand down, right leg up, and then left hand up. 1, reverse half moon. 2, try to look up. If you can't look up, cannot maintain balance, so you can look down. 4, 5, 6, wrong side. This one. And now relax everybody. Downward facing dog. Thumb tight, thumb tight, thumb low. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Chan Phai Lane, your right leg up. Chan Phai Chuak, right leg in between arms. Block in front of your right leg. Inhale, both arms up in the high lunge. And exhale, Thauza, your right hand down, Tai Phai Swan, left leg up, Chan Chai Lane, Tai Chai Lane, left leg up. Look up. 1, you are using the block just only for the spot. Do not push your body weight on the block. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good try. Relax your hand. Left leg down and again high lunge. Hit bow. Hai Tai Lane, both arms up. And exhale, this time your left hand down. Tai Chai Swan, Tai Phai Lane. Left hand down, right hand up, and left leg up. 1, just try to control. Forget the alignment initially. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax everybody. Plank pose. Drop your knees and come in the camel pose. Stand on your knees. Here go one gentle back bending. Then again we'll come in the balancing. Put your both hands on your hip. Inhale and exhale. Slowly push your hip front and then bend back. Just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, then relax it. We'll go one more time, the same practice. Once again, both hands on your hip. Inhale, open shoulder, and exhale, push your hip front and then bend back. Just a little back bending. 1, focus on your breathing, come to top. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, sitting position, and again come in the cat pose, everybody. And then come in the downward facing dog. Thumb by thumb chin and then thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chanchale, your left leg up. Left leg in between your both arms first. Inhale, both arms up, bring your palm together. Exhale, relax your hand. Now here we come in the balancing practice. So here, Chan Chai Lane, and now Tai Phi, your right hand put back. Tai Phi, Louisa, right up back, right up back. If you can, so Namko Chan Phi, hold your right hand. If you cannot, so no need, just put your right hand back. Anywhere you find the balance, just stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Again, Chan Chai Chua, left leg in between your both arms. Inhale, both arms up, bring your both palm together. And when you exhale, again put your both hands down first. Just only drop the left hand. You want to use the block, so you can. With block, without block, it all depends on you. Chan Phi Lane, Gap Chan Phi, and Nam Ko Chan Phi. Hold your right ankle. Try to keep lifting the leg up, and then you can look down, you can look sideways, you can look up. Nin Swam, Nin Phi, or Nin Lane, anything. Wherever you found the balance. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax, downward, facing dog, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now ready, other side. Chan Phi Lane, your right leg up. Chan Phi Lane, Chan Phi Chua, right leg in between arms. Inhale, both arms up in the high lunge. Exhale, relax your hands. Again, Chan Phi Lane, right leg up. Now put your left hands over, forget, left leg. Now left hand back, Tai Chai Luisa. Good, Tai Chai Luisa. You forget the posture. Forget the posture. Tai Chai Luisa, Namko Chan Chai. Try to hold your left hand. 1, very fast, you won't forget. 3, 2, and now relax. Once again, Chan Phi Chua. Enjoy the part. Hit bow, high thigh lane, both arms up. And pose a high thigh swan, especially your right hand down, Tai Phi swan, Chan Chai Lane. And bend your left leg, Gap Chan Chai, Nam Ko Chan Chai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Downward facing dog. Thumb like function and thumb down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Drop your knees here, sitting position, and then Tangchan, keep your both legs straight. You can relax your legs, moving legs. Bend your both legs and hold your big toes. This is a very basic and common portion. You make a one sequence. So first, high chan lane, your both legs up, just stay. This is also option practice. Thang chan lane, leg straight and then up, cannot, so you can bend your legs and then one more bit challenging, you can try to pull your leg to your side as maximum. But make sure your spine is straight. Thang, any option you choose, your spine should be straight. 2, thang chan lane, khom do se gap chan. 3, 4, 5, and now everybody open your legs sidewise. Tatka, jam chan. This is also option practice. If anybody feel you are super duper flexible, so you try to hold your heel or you can hold your ankle also in this posture. If you can, so still hold your big toe. 3, easy technique, keep pressing your sit bone and then keep lifting your spine. 5, and now 6, again choke chan, legs together, come on, and now high thigh lane, both arms up, hands straight, chan lane, legs up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. High chan swan, your legs down, and then jan thigh, open your arms, your shoulder blade. Twisting, thang chan, inhale, and exhale, turn on your left side. And now just stay there. Pressing palm, use your shoulder strength. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Turn on your right side. Press your palm, your right shoulder up, left shoulder down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, bend forward, we swan, just for the relaxation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax, come back. I'll take you back in the crow pose. Crow pose now is the side crow pose, but still again I will give you the option. Please try to follow the option. Bend your legs, gapchan, and then chupchan. You have to cross your both legs with your both arms. Initially, you can make your arms a bit wider than your shoulder level. So the option 1, just pressing the palm, same thing we did before, and just lift your knee. But make sure your knee try to be support with your arms. Option 2, if you can do a bit more, try to bend your elbow and then lift the hip. Option 3, you can drop the head down. Option 4, you can chan lean. Option 5, you can head up. Option 9, you can leg straight, then we can be try. Or there are some other options like the leg up and then here and there. There are some more challenging practice. You just go here. You are feeling upset because you are in the first time you are thinking about the last option. Step by step. In the yoga teach you the step by step. Everything in the life will go with the step by step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. You are, see, I don't know how you practice. Your leg should be on the elbow, like here. Then you have to be try. I don't know, your leg is here, it will be more challenging for you. Another side, change your side. Just try. You have to carry your own body weight. Come on, try. Pressing palm. Use your shoulder strength. See how much strong you are. Come on, try. You can drop the head down. Down swung. Very good. Just stay. Strong. 1, volley. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Okay, so we will go with our next practice. That is the elbow stand. Elbow stand also have an option. So I will show you first. Fast demonstration. Hold the elbow and adjust the gap. First come in the dolphin pose. Shoulder keep leaning up, lifting up. Walk in. Option 1 high jump swung but raise your chin. Option 2 both chan leg. Option bar high jump leg. Option both then legs together and some other options. Come on. Both legs up, difficult, no need. You just try to be legs down but try to raise your chin. Focus more and work more on your shoulders. 1. Come on, try. Just 3. 1 try. Shoulder up, shoulder up, shoulder up, shoulder up. By lane, by lane, by lane. Shoulder up, shoulder straight. Elbow closer, elbow closer. No jumping, no jumping. You will do the jump. You will be fall down. Relax, relax. See. Okay, I am explaining again. So see, initially if you are a beginner, so never be jump. If you jump, so it can be, you will be fall down. Please remember, if you fall down, you can easily break your neck, you can easily break your shoulder. Falling down in the yoga, there is also one technique. One day I will teach the one special class how to fall down in the yoga. Yes, but no need to work on the jump. Again, see, shoulder maintaining. This is very important because when you come in the pose, your elbow is going too much outside. When it's going too much outside, so much body weight will disturb and you will feel more tired and more like difficult, more challenging. Maintaining just only initially only one leg up, that's it. But do not lose the shoulder. Luan, always lifting the shoulder, that's it. Stay and just stay. And slowly just go front, just try like this one. Initially, just try like this one. Just try like this one. But you can see, I'm not changing my shoulder position. Once you lose your shoulder, you will lose yourself. Think of that. Try once again. You can do less, but try to work more on that. Just try. Try. If you need my support, you want to try? Just stay on me. Very good. Keep working. Focus more on the shoulder. You can try bench and lane. Legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now her elbow is, you can see, too much open and she is feeling very much challenged. Open elbow, your shoulder will be sink. Definitely your shoulder will be sink. Your elbow will open, naturally, automatically, your shoulder will be sink. And your shoulder sink, so your posture will be sink and it's very, very difficult. Okay, everybody stand up. So we go some balancing in the standing practice. So we choose a very beginner portion. Bend your left leg. We always practice in the Ashtanga class. Hold your left big toe. So first thing, just try to focus on your right leg. Right leg straight, lock your right knee, and then spine straight, thumb down. And after this, try to keep your left leg straight, just stay. Now it depends on you how you focus yourself. You can look front, you can look left, you can look right, you can look up, you can look down, anywhere. You have to find your own balance. If you look at me, so you will cannot make balance. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then relax everyone. Come on, very good. Change your leg, other side. Come on, same pose. I will give you so many variations. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now relax. Come on, relax your leg. Same pose we'll try again. This time, try to hold your left foot with your both hands. And then try to keep your legs straight. Come on, Kongo, you can go to capture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I give one more challenge here. Hold your left foot with your right hand and left hand just back side. If you can look front, you can look sideways and you can look back if you can maintain balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come on. Same, another side. Bend your right leg. Hold your right foot with your both hands. Just core, difficult core, but only just stay there. You can go more, then try to relax straight. 1, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Right hand, and then turn back. You can look front, you can look sideways, you can move back. 1, slowly, slowly. 2, 3, no dancing. 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Come back. Now we'll go the dance pose. We say the Natarajasana. Natarajasana also have some beginner level, intermediate, and some advanced level. But we will go very beginner level. Just put your right leg back, chin 5 sound. Bend the right leg and just hold your right ankle with the right hand. Left hand up. Now it will depends on you how deep and how maximum you can come in the pose. You feel maximum here, just stay. You can go more, you can lift the leg more, you can go more, you can lift the leg more, you can go more, lift the leg more. It all depends on your strength and your flexibility. Find your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, relax. Good. Initially you feeling that you are going too much down and you cannot maintain balance, so go up a bit. Just stay. Especially when we practice arm balance, we need to build up strength in your arms and your shoulder. When you practice your balance on the legs, you need to be like strong with your legs. Other side, change it. You can do a little, but try to hold longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come back. Okay. We do a little bit change in the same pose. Same pose. Bend the right leg, sorry, left leg, and hold with your right hand, opposite hand. And the same pose. Just try to be controlled and hold. Okay. Left leg with the right hand, try to hold ankle, and then try to be still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Relax them. Another side. Change your side. Your right leg hold with your left hand and then try to down. Even you cannot just stay here. That's it. Enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax now. Relax it. Okay. Take the 2 blocks just front of yourself. Maybe you need and maybe not. Congo is not fun. Tungle. Chuaso. Open legs or sideways. Any side, yes, you can change the side. Left foot, left side. Bend your left leg for your 2. Now your left hand under your left leg. Under the left. Open legs more. Jang Chan Thing. Jang Chan Thing. Option 1, just only lift the leg, your left leg, and hold with your right hand. Do a comb. Can? Cannot? So just stay here. Now, another member, first option they can try, second option they can be tried, then we stay. Home work, you just stay, that's it. Very good, just stay like this, what I am saying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Other side. Other side. Cannot, so no need. You can just only stay here. Enough. If you can, then you can go for the another option. Only bend leg and lift the leg. That's it. That is all about your arm balance. We are combining with your hip opening. That's it. That's it. That's it. 1, 2. Your right leg straight. Don't bend the knee. 5 and now 6. Okay, sir. Okay, relax. Relax. That's what. That's what. How go up? Huh? Thêm one tập. Còn no? Major. Okay, the last practice. Just the last time we will finish. Open leg sidewise. So this is the one other variation in the crow pose. We say the crowing crane in the English name. Bend your legs and put your both arms down first. Nim thumb. Come on. Tap while crowing. Bend legs. You. Yes. The leg will last. Put your arms back. Yes. Thin and open arms wider than your shoulder level. So you have to drop your thigh on your elbow and then just look front. Option 1, Chan Suan and then this stage. And option 2, this little cute girl already did it. Come on, do it and no need to do it. Very good. So this is the final pose. Option 1, legs down. Option 2, you can relax up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay. Sit down. Very nice. Counter. Let's straight. Open arm shoulder level. Jang Tai. Hip bow. And thumbs up, Sanjay. Turn on the left side. Hip bow, come back. And thumbs up on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, push one, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Tatkanam sa. Come on. Line down with the chest. Inhale. Hong nam go up. Lying down with the chest. Lying down with the chest. Thumbs up. So this is our last sequence finally. So this is about our stomach balancing, the abdomen balancing. All variations from the bow posture. Lap bend your both legs and hold your ankle. Nam hai kocha. Come on. It's a non-stop sequence. Inhale and exhale, then up everybody. So now I will see how strong you are with your core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. From here, just hold your left leg and right in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now right hand, thigh 5, Namkojan 5, left hand front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now high thigh Namkojan 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This time a bit change. Hold your left ankle with the right hand and then left in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change your leg, change your hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put your both arms front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now turn small and now go. Line. Gab Haichan and O Haichan. Open arms, your shoulder level, jump thigh, and now jai thigh. Drop your knee left and right side. Just for the relaxation. And now relax. Tatkal Haichan. Relax straight. Moju Haichan. Relax, relax. Little open legs. Relax your hands. Eyes closed. Neck on. No tightness. No any kind of movement. Just loose and relax. Namaste, Master Praveen here. If you all like my video, so please like, share, subscribe and comment, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for my more latest update. Thank you very much.